What's up, YouTube? Well, you know what? My batteries are pretty much done in this UPS. So I'm just going to show how to clean. I'm just going to flip. I already turned everything off. I'm going to flip this over. There's two screws at the bottom. I'm going to pull the battery pack out. And then hopefully the batteries I got are the right ones. But let's do it. Nice and dusty. Things are pretty heavy. Alright, so if you guys can see, there's just two screws right here. Alright, so then we got to disconnect the battery here. Hang that down a little bit. Just got to unplug it, and then slide this over a little bit here. This whole pack will come out. It's two batteries. Alright, so hopefully we can get some good video of this, but these are the batteries I bought. So hopefully it's going to work. This just kind of holds them together, and then these just kind of pop apart. So just to be safe, let's do these one at a time here. I just ordered these through Amazon. They look like they're on the same side there. Little plastic clips covering it. Alright, so we should just be able to unplug it. I guess easier said than done, right? Let's see. Something to assist here. Alright, there's the positive. That one, they're pretty good. I might have to turn this upside down. Or go get some pliers. Oh, there it goes. I think it's tight. Alright, so that one's done. See this other one here. Well, let's just leave this here for now. As you can see, these are just where does it say right here? 12 volt, 9 amp hour. So this is the model number and the stipulation. Hopefully that's I know that light's probably messing with it, but I'll put the link in the description. Alright, so let's get this one off. Much easier using a tool, of course. Alright, so these are not color coded. So I would say to be careful. That's why I like to just do it like right next to each other, just like that, how we did it. Alright, oops. I don't want to do that because we still need this little plastic film to put over these guys. Just to keep them sandwiched together really, oops, really good. Be careful there. Because it's a super tight fit in there, and they need to be really tight up against each other. All right, so let's yep, super tight fit. Oh, don't tell me I have it upside down. I think I do. Must have put the sticker on upside down. Alright, well. You can see how this is kind of keyed round here, and I can see where it's round, so you can't really put it in the wrong way. So that's good. Oh, don't want to do that. I believe we got that on there. Put the two screws back. I'm not getting back there and disconnecting everything. No way. Alright, so let's plug it in. Let's see what happens. Alright, so everything got power. Let's turn this light off here. There's your watts output. So this thing will run, it has some that are protected, some that are not. I have like 10 different things that go through this, but some of them are on battery backup and some of them are not. It was mainly for my server right here that I got this thing. That's the main reason. For my NAS or whatever you want to call it. Alright, well, looks good. I mean, that's all it took. I mean, you see it took 5 minutes to do that, right? Nothing. Order those 2 batteries off Amazon. You can see my model number. This is the CyberPower 1400 VA. I got this from Costco, so when you look it up, it's kind of like, even on their website, it doesn't even show the batteries. But I just, what I did was I pulled the batteries out previously so I can see what they were. And then I just basically ordered some the exact same size. So if you have one of these and it ends up, batteries end up dying or whatever, order some batteries. I'll put the link in the description down below. And instead of tossing this thing and buying a new one, just change out the batteries. I think I paid $35 for those batteries. So, not bad. Alright, so one thing I didn't show that I do want to show real quick. So I do have my server and it's off right now, but my Nvidia Shield and my TV are on this thing right here to back up the power. So I'm going to demonstrate after changing those batteries. Let me unplug it. And these are brand new batteries too. I'm going to go down here and we're going to see. Boom. So see, the batteries are pretty low though, but look. So now it's telling you that the batteries it's on battery. TV's still on. My Nvidia Shield down here is still on. And it's giving you a time saying, hey, hurry up, get power back or whatever. But that's what that is. So let me leave the camera here. Let me plug it back in. And you can hear it kick back on. Now it's back online, plugged in. There it is. All right, I just wanted to show that just so you guys can see it work in action. And everything's still on. All right, peace.